Hello everybody. Yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the power steering pump on 2004 Acura MDX. Okay, let's get it started, guys. Need to remove the covers out. Okay, this covers. Let me just clip it. Remove this clip. And this one this thing is 10mm. 10mm. Okay, see it out right now, and we're gonna disconnect the steering hose. Just pull up the clamp in here. That car, the fluid almost all gone, you know, like it's leaking badly. Just pull the hose to the side. Okay, you can put some tissue in here. We don't want the fluid spill all over. So, and next you see number 10mm, two 10mm. This one for the high pressure hose, power steering high pressure hose. Number 10, just use 10mm. Okay, so next, just pop it. Okay, just pop it up. Just pop it up and put the hose on the side. And next we're gonna remove we're gonna remove the drive belt. The drive belt here we use number 14mm, and just twist it forward. Okay, twist it forward and pull it out. It's very simple. Let me just put this on the side. And the second one, they have two bolts. Okay, the side on here is number 12mm, and the bottom of the pump number 12mm. See, use the socket, the long socket. Number 12. One bolt's out. And the new pump, it doesn't come with the pulley, so we need to reuse the old pulley in here. Okay, so it's out, and one more on the bottom one. A little bit hard to see it, but when you do it by your own, you know where it is. Okay, it's number 12 on there. See, the pump's out right now. I'll remove it. Oh, the lower bowl is a little bit hard for me. Okay, it's out now. See, the pump is coming out. So we're gonna use number 19 millimeter to tap. You see the screw the nut in here. We have to use the old poly. Okay, let me go get a new pump and show you. Yeah, it's a new pump. Look like it. So let me open it. Here's a new pump, and it doesn't have the poly, so we have to take out the old poly. So it's very simple, you know, like I used to. It's out. It's out now, and we're gonna remove it. See, very simple. Okay, I'm gonna put the old pump on the side. We reinstall. Let me install out the new pump with a poly. See, just put the nut in there. See? And next, right now it's time to install it. Okay, just put it back in. 12 millimeter one on top first. And put the lower bolt. The lower one a little bit hard to put it. You can see it too. Okay, now it's good. Okay, it's good now. It's time to tie it. You can use a torque wrench. Okay, you can torque it to ties around 20 something for torque on this one, but it's not necessary. You know, make sure your ties up. It should be good to go. Gonna use the shutter. Let me see. Let's try this one. Okay, and do extension, the short extension. It's almost done, guys. So after we, okay, it's perfect. Okay, so we're gonna install the high pressure one. The high pressure hose in here. It's 10 millimeter. Don't install the return hose one yet. Okay, just leave it alone. We're gonna put a dry belt first. you get more room for it. So almost done, guy. Boom, that's it. So it's time to install the driver back. Let me put it. This one very simple, okay? You take it out, you put it back in. You put it. Okay. Let me put a. I don't have enough power to pull this one. Then use the pipe. This pipe is not in. Okay, it's too big. This pipe should be good for me. Okay, here you go. Let me use a flashlight, we double check, make sure the driver sit in place. You don't want it jam, you know, like it jam you get big problems. So start this one. It wasn't clear to me on the crankshaft. Look like the belt is not sit right on it. Let me take a look closely. I don't want to make any mistake on it, you know, do the same job again. I don't like it, to be honest with you guys. So one time get it done, that's it. It's not two times. Let me just make sure it sit in place. Here you go. Go in straight up right now. So okay, it's perfect right now. And next we're gonna put the return hose back in. Just clamp it. It's very simple, guy. So the last part is fill up the power steering fluid. So let me go get a fluid for it. The power steering fluid, I recommend you to put the original one from Honda. This one is the power steering fluid. So just recommend you to put the dealership one, okay? I don't want you to put the wrong fluid on it. You see how you see the reservoir here? It's a little bit hard to see. Let me hold the camera. You just fill up with the power steering fluid, okay? Let me do it, and after I'm gonna start the engine and let's see how it goes. Okay, it's filled up right now. Then let me start the engines up a little bit, guys. Then I'll be back, okay? Start the engine up a little bit. Done. it's good now. I'm gonna fill up the power steering fluid. Okay, this one is all set, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Any question about my video, please let me know. It's how to start from start to finish it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Thank you.